Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Prepare all aromatics and scraps first. Measure 6 cups cold water. Peel and rough chop 2 carrots into 1-inch pieces. Cut 1 onion into quarters. Slice 2 celery stalks. Smash 4 garlic cloves. Collect 2 cups trimmed vegetable scraps like mushroom stems, leek tops, carrot peels, and herb stems. Use neutral oil only if sweating vegetables. Otherwise, start with dry pan. Keep all pieces fairly large so you can strain easily and avoid over-releasing bitter compounds. Do not add salt now. Leave seasoning for the risotto finish. Place chopped vegetables and scraps in a large pot and cover with 6 cups cold water. Then add 2 bay leaves, 6 black peppercorns, and a handful of parsley stems. Bring slowly to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Never boil hard. Maintain a low simmer for 30 to 45 minutes to extract flavor without releasing bitterness. Skim any foam or scum during the first 10 minutes for clarity. Taste at 30 minutes. Vegetables should be soft and the liquid aromatic, not overcooked. When the stock is aromatic and vegetables are soft, strain immediately through a fine mesh sieve. Press solids gently to extract liquid and yield about 5 cups finished stock from 6 cups water. Do not salt. Use the warm, unsalted stock to cook risotto, adding in roughly 1/2 cup increments while stirring to control absorption. Cool quickly in an ice bath for storage. Refrigerate up to 4 days or freeze in labeled 1-cup portions for up to 3 months for convenient future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.